Experience and expertise really matters when it comes to successfully delivering payloads into space. And one of those trusted partners is Moog. And I'm here at the Moog stand with Chester Crone. Now, what is it that Moog really brings to the party, Chester?
Well, we've been in business for 75 years. We've been in the space industry since the beginning of the space industry, providing robust components, subsystems to the space industry. We make complex hardware, and today we've turned that complex hardware into real solutions a warfighter needs today. The example behind you is our latest spacecraft bus that we're delivering to the warfighter. We have multiple units on orbit today that are serving multi-purposes for the demands of the DoD.
And in terms of innovation, which this industry so desperately needs, what is Moog doing to advance in that area? What is it that you're really focusing on today, Chester?
Yeah, sometimes it's difficult for an established company like Moog to innovate and get beyond what they're currently doing today and look more at the future. Luckily, we've figured out a way to do it. We have a lot of very smart people who have created integrated avionics units that are radiation hard, that can withstand some of the most severe environments that we know. We really like paying attention to the market, where the market's going, understanding the real needs. What are the needs, where are we going, staying on top of those demands.
And of course, figuring it out for what customers need is one thing, then you've got to make it at the pace that they require.
Yeah.
Talk to us a little bit about how Moog is doing that and what you're investing in to achieve those rates, those demands.
Yeah, it's a very difficult industry question being posed today. We did successfully scale up to meet demands of where demands are today, but the demand signals for tomorrow are orders of magnitude higher than where the industry has been traditionally. We are expanding our facilities, we're expanding our footprint. Just about every facility we have in the United States in our Space and Defense Group is seeing significant expansion.
I mean, physical facilities are one thing, also engineers and technicians. How are you finding training and acquiring the smart people that you need, to make these great products?
Yeah, there's really two parts to that equation. Talent is what every company needs. Talent is what every company strives to go find. We like to believe we are a company where talent wants to reside and stay. The next part is recruitment. We work with local universities around all of our sites. We allow people to work remote. We just are able to continually grow and expand talent. But the talent is the most important part. The people are the most important part of what we do.
Chester, well said. Good luck, and we'll see you at the next show, I'm sure.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you, Chester, and do look on aviationweek.com/space where you'll see all of our coverage from SAT Show 2026 and everything relating to space.